Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix Claude AI web upload failure. So first solution that you can try is click on this three dot option and go to settings of your browser, then click on the privacy and security, then click on delete browsing data, then just click on show more and select cached image and files, select all time, then just hit delete. Now, after you delete it, simply close Chrome browser, then simply open it again and see if problem is fixed or not. And the second solution that you can try is click on this option and click on cookies and site data. Then just click on this manage on device site data. Then just delete all this data. This will delete all your Claude AI browsing history or cookies or all your site activity. After deleting this, just simply refresh your page and sign in again. Then see if your problem is fixed or not. Now, as you can see, I'm logged out now. I need to log in again. So once you log in again, simply check if problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, you can choose another browser or use Claude AI on your phone. And guys, that's how you can fix this problem. If this video helps you out, please like this video and thanks for watching.